Welcome back to the business consulting third part of the video. Right, today we'll be talking about the modeling. The initial first part we have talked about the assessment. We have also spoken about the investigation. If you have not watched that, you can go and watch. We'll be putting in the description and links below. And if you're looking for personal appointments or courses or enrollments, all that details, you can reach out on WhatsApp and email. It's a one-time cost, but it can change your life forever. Right, and there are some surprises at the end of this video. I'll be telling it for your lifetime remedies. Right, so keep watching that. Right, so the third part, which I was talking on the modeling part, but before that, many people will comment that why you want to leave the technical line, why you want to get into the business lines. Yes, there is a I am definitely jump in the career, but you are comfortable. Don't be comfortable. Be challenge yourself and reach to the peaks of the success. Right, from ashes to the sky you can reach. Don't underplay yourself. Don't waste your time in gossiping and doing here and there statements, loose talk. Right, build your career, build your life, build your family, build your nations. Right, so today in part of the journey, if you get into the business consulting role, not only at the IT, it will also help you in the life to understand the business in a wider way and make decisions. Right, so coming back, as I said, assessment, investigation is over. Modeling, the modeling is very important, because that is where you talk about the IT systems, right, the entire ecosystems, right, the traditional, the emerging, the back end, the middleware, all that stuff. Right, understand that the as is already done in the assessment part. You can see this, right, assessment here it is done, and then we get into the 2B model where we talk about the 2B governance model. Right, so as is to 2B mapping should be done, and then the data governance, which everyone is neglecting these days. Right, because that is where the AI security, data security, and then you end up paying a lot of compliance, a lot of privacy, a lot of charges. Right, unnecessary regulations comes into picture, and then you talk about the architecture. Right, without the data part, governance part, if you talk about the architecture, it will look very shallow. Right, so during these interactions you need to talk with the data management. So from the client side, you need to talk with the people who understand the data, which understand the systems, the background, the front end, the middleware, which I talked about. Right, and as part of this process, the output will be 2B business documents, the 2B architecture, right, and then the high level and the plans in terms of 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and the data governance model. Right, so keep watching the video again and again and again. If you have not understood it fully, watch the other part of the video, other part of the videos, which will be putting in the description and links below. And as I said, there are some special surprises. Also use like artificial intelligence, like the cloud, like the quantum computing, like the blockchain, like the metaverse, like the Web 3.0. Also bring an astrology, right? Because that will give you what are your strengths, what are your weakness, what are your future directions for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Through this career, you can reach the next Narayan Murthy or Ajim Premji, or you can be the next Ratan Tata or Dhirubhai Ambani, right? That guidance you will get it from astrology, with consulting, with IT. Magics and miracles will happen in your life. So keep watching. Reach out to us on WhatsApp and email if you need any personal guidance. That is one-time cost. Meet you in the next video. We'll talk about the roadmap and end the consulting journey. God bless you all.